Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this awesome 6 feet Christmas tree. It's an artificial tree which comes to you for the Christmas time as you like. And the clue behind this tree is it's not only 6 feet tall. It comes with a stand and it comes with the pre-installed LED lights. Wow! Fairy lights included and assembled. Done. You have only to put them together. Job's done. That's all. It's simple, it's nice and easy. It's possible to remote control by a control button switch. This awesome light system on it, and it comes with a lot of RGB and white options. The 6 feet fake Christmas tree is great for an apartment or your house. Or if we want a second tree in a larger home, no problem with that awesome artificial tree here. The 6-foot lighted Christmas tree fits beautiful in any small space and shines like a diamond at the night. We would love our new tree for our downsized home, for example. The green artificial Christmas tree is beautiful and a perfect addition to a modern home at Christmas time. Of course, you can use it the entire year, no problem, of course, if you like it. It seems such as a waste to grow a tree for 10 years and make it the center of attention for only 1 month, and then unceremoniously drag it to the landfill. We are purchasing an artificial Christmas tree. This can prevent the trees from ending up in landfill. Lots of light, and after fluffing it looks amazing. Super easy to assemble and super easy to disassemble. It's reusable and sturdy. You can use this tree more than 10 years. No problem. Really, and it looks every year again brand new. If we're looking to downsize our annual additional tree, the 6 feet pre-lighted Christmas tree is a great little size that allows it to fit into any space without moving furniture. Easy to set up and fluffy. 3 pieces we attached and fluffed up, and then we tucked in with a pair of fluffy gloves for manipulating the branches. Incredible, awesome, as you can see. And the 6 feet pre-lit Christmas tree comes with a remote control unit to turn it on and off. And of course, a bunch of cycle options. We can cycle through the different color variations. If we prefer the white light, okay. Our husband prefers the flashing lights, okay. And the kids will enjoy the colored lights, okay too, no problem. The artificial Christmas tree here with changing lights, going through all 11 settings, would meet all our family's need. And the artificial Christmas tree with lights that no critters or bugs can enter. Easy to dismantle and store after Christmas. Also, the flake Christmas tree kit comes with a pair of gloves, which is really easy on our hands while assembling and fluffing, avoiding scratches and making the leaves fluffer. If there is an easy way for the Christmas days and the pre-Christmas time, with your Christmas tree, no needles, or not so much needles, okay? Like an natural Christmas tree. And you do not have to throw it away after the season. You can let it there and it looks after 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or 1 year or 2 years or 5 years or 10 years like the first time. Really cool because this is a natural thing, I think. And you can see it's really easy to attach. The only thing you have to do is build the stand first. Then get the bottom size of the fluff Christmas tree, the first area onto it, on the top of it, tighten it easily. And after this, do perform the same with the second, and of course make a fluffy job each level. And after this, you comes with the third level on top. Third level comes with an 4 edges design. Get it in position. Job's done. Yeah, nearly. After this, you have to connect the 3 fairy lights to one in a line. And then you can put the energy supply into the socket. And then you can start and have a nice and beautiful artificial Christmas tree with a lot of functions, with a nice shining and a lot of colored and white and cold white and warm white and blue and red and green and purple and color features at your home at the Christmas season. That's really cool, I think. This makes a good and shiny Christmas tree at your home. Oh, yo. That's cool, that's easy, and it saves a lot of natural trees out there. Have a good Christmas time, I wish to you, with that awesome Christmas tree. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.